Hey guys, it's Dean. Welcome to Manful Yoga. In this quick video, I'm going to show you a full body circuit workout to build strength in your upper back, your shoulders, your core, your glutes, and your lower body overall. Let's get started. So this circuit has 4 exercises. First one you're going to do is a strict pull-up. So hands on the bar, bring your legs out in front of you, hips flexed, legs extended, and then come all the way up, squeeze your chest toward the bar, and then slowly come down. That's your first exercise. Do 5 to 10 reps total. After that, Warrior 1, working on opening up your groin, building core strength, endurance in your lower body, and also strengthening the upper back, opening the chest. 60 seconds, both sides. After that, airplane, balancing on one leg, working on straightening the leg, extending the other leg back, tightening the core, trying to make a T shape with your body. 45 seconds, both sides. After that, finishing off with a 120-second deep squat. Toes face forward or slightly out, engaging your glutes, lifting your chest, keeping your chest upright, and then maintaining that position for 2 minutes total. Do that 3 to 5 times total, so 3 to 5 circuits of those 4 exercises. It's going to take you anywhere between 20 maybe to 40 minutes long, depending on how many circuits. And that's it. So enjoy the workout. Leave a comment, like it, share it if you found it useful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.